If you are wondering if you can switch to the selfie camera while recording a video on POCO X8 Pro Max, then let's give it a try. We're just gonna go to the camera. Over here, let's switch to the video mode, and as you can see here, we have the button, of course, that allows us to switch to the front camera. Now I'm gonna start with 4K 60 frames per second, and if I start recording, let's see if this option disappears. There we go, the option is gone. I cannot really switch now. Let's see if we can do something about it. Let's see if I can, for example, adjust the zoom over here. But no, once we start recording, we cannot switch the camera, at least in the 4K 60 FPS option. If I switch to 30, it is still not possible. Let's switch to 1080p, 60 frames per second. And yes, in this case, it is possible to switch. As you can see, now I can easily switch to the front camera once I start recording. So we can use 1080p, 60 frames per second. Let's see if I can do the same thing. Actually, it switches to 30 now. So let's see, 1080p, 30 frames per second. It is still possible quite easily. And 720p, just in case, yes, we still have the option. So it is possible to switch lenses, sorry, not to switch lenses, to switch to the selfie camera once you start recording a video, unless you use the 4K resolution. So in the case of 4K resolution, this option is unfortunately not available. Other than that, it is. Leave a like and subscribe.